If you have seen those character movements in an old video game, you might notice they look robotic and unrealistic. In modern games though, characters move realistically like real people. In the past, animators painstakingly manipulated the positions and orientations of each body part of an animated character manually. However, this process was time-intensive and ineffective. Making realistic animations was almost impossible. Then they came up with a new technology known as motion tracking. Motion tracking involves a real human actor wearing a special tracking suit with colored markers on it. As the actor moves, these markers move along with their body. A computer program then tracks the movements of these markers by processing the video. Animators subsequently link these markers to the corresponding parts of an animated character, enabling the character to mimic these movements. This approach ensures that the animation's movements mirror the movements of a real human actor, resulting in a realistic animation. But how does this process unfold behind the scene? A video is a sequence of images, also known as frames. A video operating at 24 frames per second signifies that each second of the video consists of 24 rapidly sequenced frames, creating the illusion of motion. Each frame is a matrix of pixels, with each pixel representing a colored point. Collectively, millions of pixels form a complete image. The motion tracking program goes through each pixel in the video frame. When the color of a pixel matches a specific color of a marker on the tracking suit, it signifies that the position of that pixel is actually the position of a marker on the tracking suit. This procedure repeats for every frame across the entire video, accurately tracking the position of a marker. Once these positions are recorded, the animated character seamlessly replicates these movements. Motion tracking tools are integrated into software applications such as Blender 3D and Adobe After Effects, being used for game development and filmmaking.